Hello everyone. So while you were searching for what is the difference between error and exception in Python, you might have found two very different opinions. Some people say they are completely different. There is no similarity between them, while the others say that they are exactly the same. And both of them are not completely wrong. And by the end of this session, you will understand that how this is the half truth of how both of them are not completely wrong. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly when to use each word and why most of the mentors or most of the tutorials get this small concept quite often wrong. Okay, so let me first start with the part that confuses a lot of people. In Python, most of the things that you call as error are actually exceptions, like your name error, type error, value error, zero division error. Every one of these is an exception. The word error is just a part of the name. So they are not two separate families. Error and exceptions are not two separate families. The way many mentors or many tutorials say. Okay, so this is the first myth that I want to drop. And make sure that you are with me for this point. The real difference is, and it all comes down to just one question: when does the problem happens? A syntax error happens before your code runs. Okay, an exception happens while your code runs. Before your code runs and while your code runs. And let me explain that, because this is the whole idea, this is the whole concept. Okay, now before Python runs your program, it reads through your code to check that it is making sense or not, since it's a language. Okay, so if it finds something it cannot understand, something like a missing bracket, a wrong indentation, missing semicolon, it stops right there, shows a syntax error. And here is the important part: nothing runs. Okay, not even the first line of the code runs, because first it checks whether all of it is making sense or not. The program is not even started yet, and this is what the syntax error really is. Your code is broken before even it began. Okay, so before is the keyword here. While an exception is different, your code is valid. Okay, the code is valid, the rules are followed, and Python understands it also. So as usual, it starts running. Then partway through, it hits a problem that it cannot deal with. Maybe you divided a number by 0. Maybe you opened a file that doesn't exist. Maybe you used a variable that you haven't created yet. And this is an exception. Problem that happened during the execution. Before error, during exception. Now let me show you a very simple example in the code only, so that you can understand this completely. Okay, so let's say this is our function and we have a syntax error here. Okay, a plus b plus, we haven't defined the operand here. We have the operator, but we haven't defined the operand here. So this is a syntax error. So the program stops there and shows you the syntax error. But just see here, we have this function and we have a plus b plus c. C is not defined before, right? So this is a error, but the program is not stopping. Sorry, this is a exception, but the program is not stopping. The program is going very happily. But when we called the function, when we reached the point of exception, then it shows unbounded local error. C is not associated with a value, or C is not defined. Okay, so this is an exception. Now, since you have understood the difference, let us come to the difference that actually matters in your real program. You can handle a exception. Okay, you can handle a exception, but you cannot handle a syntax error. Now, you might have seen try and except. This is how you do uh, exception handling, or you handle the exception. You wrap the risky part in the try, and if an exception happens, your except block deals with it. Okay, so if let's say, or this is the risky part because 10 by 0 is not defined, right? Or is it infinite? You can write in the comments. I can't remember what exactly it was. So this is a risky part. Python will show error. So we will put this inside the try, and if this is problematic, if this is showing a exception, this except condition will be executed. Okay, so you can wrap a exception in a handling condition. You can handle it, but you cannot handle a syntax error. You can't handle this. Okay, and one more useful piece here. Since your exception is happening while your code is running, you can even create them on purpose. Now, when you write raise value error, you can write raise value error and you can tell Python that something is wrong here. Okay, so you can even manufacture a exception, but you cannot raise a syntax error on purpose. Syntax error just mean that you have made a typo, as simple as that. So a very quick summary: most errors in Python are actually exception. Okay, I want you to write it somewhere. If you are creating notes, I want you to write it somewhere. Most errors in Python are actually exception. The name is misleading. Okay, the real split is the timing. The syntax error being the outlier among the errors. The syntax error happens before your code runs. It stops the program before it even started. Okay, while the exception happens while your code is running, and you can catch it, handle it, and you can even raise it yourself. Okay, so this was it. This was the series where we break down and explain concepts that sounds the same but carry a small hidden nuance. Okay, see you in my next one.